Do you think getting this car made me happy? Stick around because the answer might surprise you. First, let's talk about happiness. What really makes us happy? Is it material possessions, like the car, or is it something deeper? You see, happiness is a complex emotion. It's not just about what you have, but also about who you are and how you perceive the world around you. Many people think material things bring happiness, and yes, they can bring a temporary high, a fleeting moment of joy, but that's what we call hedonistic happiness. It's immediate, sensory, and oh so invigorating. Yet, as the weeks go by, the initial thrill starts to wane. The car is still a marvel, but that euphoric high, it might not be as intense. You might start to wonder, is this it? Don't get me wrong, driving the car is still very exhilarating. The speed, the wind when the roof's down, the freedom, it's incredible. But the car itself isn't what makes me happy. What truly brings me joy is the sense of accomplishment, fulfillment, and additional confidence I gained in being able to buy this car. It's my identity. It's a representation of how far I've come in my journey, both personally and professionally. It reminds me of the wise words of Eleanor Roosevelt: happiness is not a goal, it's a byproduct. You see, the car is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of hard work, of overcoming fears, of gaining confidence, and of achieving goals. And that brings us to another form of happiness, eudaimonic well-being. It's not a fleeting high, but a lasting sense of fulfillment that comes from living in alignment with your true self. It's like a steady flame that burns bright and keeps you warm long after the fireworks of hedonistic joys have faded. Now, let's shift gears and think about how a happy life as a long, adventurous road trip. How can we all have this? What are the essential elements that make this trip called life not just bearable, but truly joyful? What turns it into a ride of a lifetime? A truly happy life. First up, we have relationships, the co-pilots on your journey. Imagine driving alone versus having loved ones to share the ride, the laughter, the music, and the even occasional flat tire. These co-pilots make the trip worthwhile, filling it with warmth and unforgettable memories. Next, let's talk about purpose. Your ultimate destination for the time being. Imagine driving without a map, no destination in sight. It might be fun for a while, but eventually you'd crave a sense of direction. Knowing your current purpose is like having that perfect GPS system. It guides you, gives your journey meaning, and makes every mile count. Now consider financial security, the fuel in your tank. Without it, you're not going far. It's not about having a luxury vehicle or staying at 5-star hotels along the way. It's about the freedom to choose your path, to explore new roads without the anxiety of running on empty. Don't forget physical health, the condition of your vehicle. A well-maintained car makes for a smooth, enjoyable ride. Similarly, taking care of your body ensures that you're fit to enjoy every twist and turn along the way, making the journey not just possible, but truly pleasurable. Lastly, there's mindset, the driving skills you bring to the table. You could be in the most luxurious car on the most scenic route, but if you're stressed, distracted, or pessimistic, you won't enjoy the ride. A positive mindset is like being a skilled driver. It allows you to navigate challenges smoothly and appreciate the beauty along the way. So as you sit behind the wheel of your life, remember that the journey to happiness is a combination of these elements, and it comes from within. It's not just about the car you're driving, but about who's with you, where you're headed, how prepared you are, and most importantly, how you choose to experience the ride. Material things, they're just the icing on the cake. In the grand tapestry of life, both forms of happiness have their place. Hedonistic joys add spice and excitement, while eudaimonic fulfillment provides depth and meaning. One isn't necessarily better than the other. They're two sides of the same coin called happiness. So the next time you find yourself chasing after material possessions, ask yourself, will this truly make me happy? Or is it just a symbol of something greater? So, to answer the question, did getting this Corvette make me happy? Yes, but not for the reasons you might think. It continues to make me happy because it serves as a tangible reminder of the intangible growth I've experienced. It's a balance between the hedonistic pleasure of owning something luxurious and the eudaimonic well-being that comes from personal growth and achievement. Before I sign off, I have a challenge for you. Take a moment today to think about your own Corvette, that symbol in your life that might represent your achievements. Ask yourself, does it make me happy? And more importantly, why does it make me happy? Remember, the key to a fulfilling life isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about enjoying the journey and who you become along the way. So go ahead, take the wheel and steer your life towards what genuinely brings you joy and fulfillment. And as you do, keep in mind this quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson: life is a journey, not a destination. Make your journey count. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into living a happier, more fulfilling life. Until next time, I'm Dr. Rakish Rana, the Clear Coach, reminding you that happiness is an inside job.